fresh pepper. Oh, that looks pretty.
Hi. Let's try it. Boy, it tasted good in the pan. Let's do a roll of linguine. They didn't mention salt, did they? It needs salt. Let's try that again. That's a lot. It's all right. Yeah, the salt really helps. Oh, I like that. Good hit of oregano flavor. Crab meat. The original recipe's in the description. Lewis Kemp, crab meat or lobster. We got imitation today. We're on a budget. We're always on a budget. It's very yummy. It's very yummy. Wow. 1995. Lewis Kemp Seafood Linguine, 1995. That's really good. But it totally needs salt. That's a teaspoon of oregano and you can taste it, but it's very nice. Hey, thanks for joining me this Sunday. You know what I'm going to say? What am I going to say? Thanks for watching.